Look at what this user did. He made a bad video out of me. Oh my gosh. Look at what he did. Why did he make a bad video out of me? Really?
Hello, my name is Canine Groomer Thanos.
Okay. See this? He made a bad video out of me. He makes Canine Crooner. He makes me gets owned. Oh my gosh. Why did he make a bad video out of me?
Hello, my name is Canine Groomer Thanoston, and I am a complete failure of life, who should be attacked by a rabid squirrel into my face, until I am so...
Let's watch this part. Look. Did you see this?
Mr. Fruit Cup.
Soy. That means you are dumped, bitch.
He dumped me.
Oh my
Now
gosh!
I have to commit suicide by jumping off this cliff. But first I better go see who that guy over there is. Sir, who the hell is this? Sorry, I mean, who the hell are you?
Canine Crooner Thanoston, my name is Tony Little and I hate people like you, because your love is stupid. Go animate crap and the Go animate themes and the Go animate website and video.
You need to respect my opinion on Go Animate. I can Go Animate wherever I want. So, you think that I love... You think that I love Go Animate because I subscribe to Go Animate users? I had to subscribe to these Go Animate users because I love them.
So for this I will speed rape you, so bend over you.
Oh my gosh!
No.
Oh my gosh! That's a really bad video. Why did you make a bad video out of me?
Stupid Go Animate fan. Stop saying Go Animate shit.
It's my own opinion on Go Animate, so you need to respect my opinion.
I bet Go Animate is like that life.
Oh my gosh, that's a really bad video. Yeah, let's not watch this video. That video's really bad. Oh my gosh, this user made a bad video out of me. See this, guys? Oh my gosh. So, you right here, if you're watching this video that I'm making for you, you need to start respecting my opinion on Go Animate. I can Go Animate wherever I want. It's my own opinion if I like Go Animate. Look at this, guys. He made a bad video out of me. He needs to stop making a bad video out of me.